COVID-19, one of the most critical challenges humanity has faced during the recent times. But what is the solution? Obviously, vaccine or drug development. Now, I'm gonna draw your attention to the dark side of drug development. Have you ever wondered how much money and time does it take for a single drug to be developed? Well, in the United States, it costs $1 billion and takes 12 years for a single drug to be developed. If it happens that you are into traveling, you can have 20,000 round-the-world trips with this amount of money. But why? Many potential drugs fail in the preclinical trials due to the lack of a proper model for testing them. And the solution can be organ-on-a-chip technology. Organ-on-a-chip is a technology mimicking the human organs more realistic by taking into account the most important mechanical and chemical factors which are present in our organs. The chip itself is made from silicone rubber, which is soft and stretchable. To put this into concept, suppose this sport band is the channel inside the chip, and these magnets are the cells of our organs seeded and grown inside the channel. So we can mimic the mechanical stimulation. For example, in our lungs, the cells stretch and contract while I'm breathing, like the cells can feel the stimulation and behave differently. Moreover, throughout our organs, there are tiny blood vessels called microvasculature, bringing in the fresh nutrient and washing out the waste product. Imagine you open up the Google map, search for Amsterdam. Looking from the top, you see the network of canals, the same in Microchip. We can fabricate the network of channels whose structure and distribution might be like Amsterdam canals or the microvasculature in our organs. So with organ-on-a-chip technology, we can have a more realistic model and test thousands of drugs there. Suppose you're gonna learn how to drive a car. This is actually like taking the dashboard, the steering wheel, and gear shift, putting them in front of a big TV screen, and driving in a game world. This is the simulation of safe driving. You cannot crash, but by the way, you can crash thousands of times and nobody gets hurt. So with organ-on-a-chip technology, we could have a repetitive, more realistic model, and potentially we could have the vaccines for COVID-19 faster and cheaper.